Hey there, today I just wanted to show you a quick tip on how to manage your setup options in PC-DMIS. So you know that setup options are found under Edit, Preferences, Setup, or you can just hit the keyboard shortcut F5. So if you worked with PC-DMIS for any length of time, you know that there's several different ways to edit the software, to modify it, and to customize it. This can be a good thing, but it can also be a bad thing. If you have a user, an inexperienced user, going in there and changing some of these parameters, it could have some very negative effects. So what we can do is add a password to only allow a manager to customize these options. So you can see it there, there's the password button. So all we do is press that, enter, and then re-enter the password. Check the box that says use password and press OK. Press OK to exit. And now when I hit F5 again, I'm prompted to enter a password. Only the administrator who knows that password can get back in there. So let's type in our password and press OK. So we'll close again. I'll reopen it again. And as an operator who doesn't have access to this, the operator can still see the setup options if you click Show Options. But everything is grayed out. You can see what it's set to, but no changes are possible. So I'll show you how to disable that. So I'll just click Cancel. So to disable the password and setup options, you have to reopen it, re-enter the password. So I'll click the password button again. So to disable it, we need to re-enter once again our password and then uncheck the Use Password checkbox. Press OK and OK to exit. So let's open that again to see if it worked. There we go. So we're back into editing mode, and that's how you disable it. Another button I wanted to show you was the Warnings button. You can see here it's grayed out. So the Warnings button manages all of those dialog boxes where we've asked the software not to ask us this question again. Mine is grayed out because I haven't checked that box in any dialog yet. So let's just test that. I'll click OK to exit. So what I'll do is just a simple one. I'll just edit one of the theoretical values of this vector point. And you'll see a prompt appear when I hit the Tab key. So it reads, save theoretical values as new target. So this is a question I always want to answer yes to. So I'll first check don't ask me again and then click yes, so it will always be yes. Another one I'll check don't ask me again is do you want to update measured values also? So I'll always make this no. The last one, again, I'll check don't ask me again. Do you want to update nominals of related dimensions? So yes, and don't ask me again. So I've checked that box 3 times, and where we manage those answers is again in setup options. F5 again, and in the warnings section, we can see all our 3 answers are stored in that dialog. So we have a few options here. We can change our answer. So by selecting one of the answers, we can click Edit and change the answer from yes to no. We can clear a single answer, or we can clear them all by clearing the list. Sometimes you'll want to go back in and edit or just remove one of these stored answers. So I'll just clear the list and select OK. Answering these questions ahead of time and having the answer always the same really speeds up your programming. Okay, so that's it. That's just a few little quick tips on how to manage your setup options. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.